Hello. So finally, we have reached the last topic of our SEO, advanced SEO course, and I'm really happy because uh, this took me a lot of time and a lot of energy to record these courses. But I'm happy now because this is the last part, and it is also a very important part. Everything is important nowadays, but because till the last video, I think we have covered everything that is needed to rank your website. So even if you are not covering the last part, you will be able to rank your website. But now the thing is that how do you optimize things? Because see, SEO is all about optimization, right? How do you optimize things to keep getting better results, to keep your position on the Google's first page, also to keep tracking how things work for you, right? Because see, if you will track things, if you will measure your success, let's say you are on 100th page, now you are on 20th, but after 20, no, not 100th page, 100th position, now you are on 20th position. So to get on first page, you should be on top 10 position, right? So how to get from 20th to 10 position, because all the competition will be there on top 20 positions. If it is not a super duper competitive niche like digital marketing agency, because in digital marketing agency, if you will scroll through till 300 this listings, like 30 pages, still you won't be able to find a lot of links over there. So if it's not a very competitive niche, obviously only 20 people are putting a lot of effort to rank their keyword for any particular niche, right? So let's say from 100 to 20, you came in just let's say 2 months. But now this is the test, right? From 20, how to get on top 3 results. Over here, a lot of things that you have to do is measure what is working, what is not working, why I'm not ranking, what I'm lacking, if what is the click-through rate of the people. Try a lot of tactics that you can use. So we will dive right into this and get to know how to improve, how to keep getting better results. Let's say you are on 10th position, how to get in first, right? So all these things we will cover over here in this topic. And after this, I think only one more module will be there, and that is some terminologies that is there in SEO. And I think I have covered all these parts in the previous video also, but I will try to explain one by one what is needed, what is not needed, and according to that we will proceed. So let's get into this video. And so measuring and tracking SEO success. How you are going to measure, how you have to track your SEO success. So over here I mentioned some metrics that are relevant when you are measuring and tracking the success of your SEO campaigns, right? One is engagement metric. The first is engagement. How much people are engaging with your content. This is very much important. This will tell you that how relevant your content is, how good your content quality is, how uh, how much time people are spending on your website, right? So for this, you need to check two things. One is the bounce rate. So where I'm just talking about bounce rate, where you will check the bounce rate. For this, you need to install one code on the website, that is Google Analytics code. Okay, you can give this code to your developer. I will put it over there. If you don't know, I will record a video. Just let me know. Because see, I don't know how much you know about SEO, the online marketing, and all these things. So maybe I must have skipped a lot of things over here. But if you will just comment that I didn't understand this part, I will be able to make a video of this, and I will be able to show you step by step what you need to do over there. So it's Google Analytics. in Google Analytics, what you need to do, you need to generate one code for your website, and you need to put that code on your website, okay, in the HTML tags. So let's say over here. So what I am doing is I have only one, I think one code, and that is tag manager. So see, if you will put tag manager code, what tag manager will do, it's again a Google tool, tag manager. It will manage all your tags. So again, you don't have to put tags on your website. Only one tag will be there, and then you can utilize tag manager to manage all these codes. Now, tag manager is a very advanced, super advanced topic, and it's not a part of SEO, so I think I will not cover in this video. But obviously, in your marketing, that is needed. So I have tag manager code over here, I guess. So I will just check. See over here, Google Tag Manager. So I have used this code, and now whichever tag I want, be it Google Pixel, Google Analytics code, my Index Metrica code, Hotjar, or whatever code I'm using or script I'm using of all this analytics tool, what I'm doing, I'm just using Tag Manager, because see, I don't need to put each and every code on my website by visiting my website again and again, right? So let's say you don't know a lot about managing your code, HTML and pasting. So what you can do, you can just have, like, if you are a freelancer, if you are just starting a blog, you don't know anything about this, you can just put your code over there by hiring a freelancer. If it is a custom-made website, if it is not a custom-made website, what you can do is, if it is a WordPress website, you will actually get uh, so in TV, I will like, it depends upon theme to theme. Yeah, whichever theme we are using. So in Divi, I'm getting the option to put my code directly. And if you are using any other theme, you will get other. So see over, not here. That is some other code. That is some custom. Yeah, over here, see, I have put the tag manager code. So these are my tag manager code. So this code will be there in head, and one more code is there, which is in body. So you will get both the codes when you are applying to tag manager, and you can put this in your head and body. And then in tag manager, you can manage each and every code that you want, each and every script that you want. If you are just directly putting your Google Analytics code, just copy the code, because as soon as you will register on Google Analytics, you will get the code. You need to provide your website details, a country name, all these things. So as soon as you will do it, you will get a code. Put that code on your website on all the pages, and then you will start getting all the results from Google Analytics. So let's say visiting this particular website. So see, what is the bounce rate of your pages? What is the session duration? So The lesser the bounce rate, it is better for you. It's around 50 for all major websites. And also, see, don't depend on these metrics, because I was working with one of our client, and the bounce rate on one of their website was showing 1%. It is not possible. 1% is not possible. It is never possible. Okay. So on their website was showing 1%, but it is not possible. Uh, Average is 50, but for Google it is 25 or 26 for Google on google.com, right? For all other websites that's like 25, 30, but average is 40 to 50. Okay, this is more, it's showing more. So you need to analyze all those things, what is happening, where people are bouncing off. I will just show you if my search console is. The search console is not set up with this. So see over here also you will, if you come to acquisition, then all channel traffic, here you will get that from direct. This is the bounce rate that you are getting. So that can be like, if it is my own website, I'm just checking a lot of things. Let's say I just need to put a code. So what I will do, I will just click over there, put the code, come back. Right? But all the organic traffic, the bounce rate is less. It's 42. That is industry standard. And social, if I'm sharing on social media, it is more, because see, a lot of traffic will not be relevant. A lot of people who are clicking may not be looking for it. They just sometimes they just click and they don't want to visit. So all these things happen. Direct is more, organic search, this is less, and all other traffic, this is also more than average. Okay, so this is how you can analyze your content depending on all those things. If you like attach your search console also, you will get page-wise results for all your landing pages. For which landing page, what you need to do, all these things you will get. So all these things you can do by analyzing site content. I think it's here, the all pages. See, for all the pages now, whichever pages are there, so all these are our product pages. So this is washer extractor, and see, this is, we started recently ranking for this particular product, I guess, but the bounce rate is 100. So we need to check why this is happening, right? How many people registered on this 27.7? But still, over here, the bounce rate is 0.000 for all these products. So if somebody is coming to this particular product, that is double the error of ours, whatever visits are, this is for a day. I will just check for a month. So see, recently we started getting traffic. Earlier, this site was not ranking anywhere. So yeah, see, for washing machine, the bounce rate is 0. We are getting this traffic, and people are like taking around 2 minutes. They are staying on our website for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is good, right? 2 minutes to 3 minutes. This is the average time of people will stay. If, because see, this is not a content site, this is a product site. So as soon as a person will come, he will see the product, and then he will directly try to contact the manufacturer. Washer extractor, why we need to check like what is happening. So I will just visit over here. Also, we are experimenting with a lot of things over here in their website also, because the product is new. because we have integrated one 3D product over here. So because of this also it's taking a lot of time to load. Over here this is a 2D image, but over here it's a 3D product. You can just check. So because of this taking some time, see over here directly the person can contact the people. So yeah, this is how you can like analyze all the things visiting the website. What is the bounce rate? What is the exit rate? Exit rate is like how many people are exiting after visiting this page. And landing pages, exit pages, from which pages people are exiting the website. So you can try to keep people. It is a product website, so products will be there. But if it is a content website, you can try to keep people on the website, right? By, let's say, as soon as a person is leaving your website, you must have seen a lot of people giving pop-ups to get some discounts or something like this. So you can use all of these tactics on your website. People are directly exiting this page over here. Some people are directly visiting only the home page and they are exiting from there itself after seeing every detail. Some people are coming over here. You can check the behavior also, behavior flow, from where to where people are going. So you can actually manage that. So let's say the person is coming to my home page, then they came here, then they went here, product, washer extractor, all the products. So how the traffic is, they were like where the user is going after coming to my home page. So you can just keep scrolling and you will find out like where the person is actually landing. You can keep adding the tab also and you will find. So which page is engaging to the person, which page is not. Then you can check for which keywords you are ranking. Are this keyword relevant to your pages? If not, so all these things you can measure and you can find out. So engagement metrics, conversion rate. So if a person is coming to your website, let's say 100 people. After 100 people are visiting your website, how many people, if say you are selling something online, how many people are buying? If for products like this, how many, we are just building the product form for this company also, because earlier they didn't have any like product forms. So we are actually building lead forms for this company. So then we will be able to measure how many people are visiting the website, how many people are getting the lead form. So all these things you can actually measure in Google Analytics. And this is analytics also, it's a big topic. So it will also take at least 5 videos to cover everything. So analytics, how many people are actually converting. So you can actually track whenever a person is clicking on that submit form, you can track how many people clicked over here and went to some other page, the landing page. Time on page, I have shown you the sessions, how much time people are staying on your page. Pages per visit. So you will get all this data in Google Analytics. Just explore yourself. I think it will help you better. So if a person is visiting your website, how many pages he is visiting after his visit, right? So how many pages he is visiting? Then bounce rate. How many people are bouncing off of your website? So bounce rate is like as soon as the person clicked on your link, and if he is exiting your page, let's say within 3 seconds, 3 to 5, or maximum 10 seconds. So that is counted as bounce rate. So if you are keeping this person for more time, obviously your engagement will improve. Scroll depth. So scroll depth is like if I am visiting this, let's say, where is my website? So somebody is visiting my page. How much this person is scrolling? So my website is till here. Let's say till here. So if this person is scrolling till here or not. After this, if he's scrolling, then it's okay. If it's not, I don't mind. But till here, if it's scrolling, then it's good for me. So all this thing you can track in like Hotjar, one heat map tracking tool is there, and in this tag manager also you can track all these things. Scroll depth, what is the scroll depth? So yeah, these are important metrics that will be useful for you. and search traffic. So for this, you can use your Google Search Console. Over there, it will show you. I have already shown you how many people uh, have seen your link and how many clicked over there. You can also get the CTR over there, what search traffic you are getting from the links or the pages that are organically ranking in SEO. So these are the things that you can measure. For this, search traffic, go to Search Console. Scroll depth, you can use either Hotjar or uh, Tag Manager. Bounce rate, Google Analytics. Page per visit, Google Analytics. Time on page, Google Analytics. Conversion rate, Google Analytics. You can set goals over here. So see over here, this is conversion. You can set goals. If you have an e-commerce website, you can set goals over there also. So over here, you can set goals and then you can visualize your funnel, right? So yeah, conversion rate and engagement metrics, how much people are engaging. Again, if you know like how much time people are staying, if they are seeing your, you can check if people are clicking on video, they are seeing any video or not. All the things you can actually check. Additional common SEO metrics. That is, one is domain authority and page authority. I've already told you. These are the metrics provided by Moz. All other tools have different metrics. Domain authority and page authority is metrics by Moz. So install Moz, you will get, because this is, I think, the industry standard which everyone is using. So you can use this same thing. Keyword ranking. So where your keyword is ranking. This you can check. A lot of tools are there. If you are using SEMrush, Ahrefs, all these tools will also tell you where your keyword is. Okay. So I will suggest, let's say in the beginning, even if you are not buying the tool, but I would suggest when your blog is growing, if you're working in a company, they are getting good profit, invest in tools. These tools will definitely help you to maintain your ranking. Even like if you are planning to start SEO agency, then obviously this will definitely help. And number of backlinks. Again, you will find this in this Moz, Ubersuggest, SEOrush, Ahrefs, everywhere. All this tool will tell you. Now, evaluating a site's health with SEO website audit. Okay, so see, these are some tools which are freely available and some of the site health SEO website audit. So yeah, one is Google Search Console. In this, you will find a lot of data, what keywords you are ranking for, which URL is getting the most traffic, and then you can optimize according to that. Okay, so let's say you are ranking on 10 position and you're getting some clicks. You know that as soon as you will start improving in the ranking, you will start getting more clicks. So in Search Console, it will give you the exact idea how many clicks you are getting, right? So maybe you are not optimizing for a particular keyword. Let's say you're optimizing for airport taxi, okay? But you are ranking, you have planned to rank for airport taxi in 6 months, okay? Now, but within 3 months, you started ranking for airport pickup and airport drop because these were the smaller keywords. You were not actually planning to rank them, but still, they started ranking in 3 months only. Now, what you can do, you can actually optimize for these keywords. If these keywords are on like 9 to 10 position, you can try to get in first position. So this is how you can use Google Search Console. A lot of other data for SEOs there. Google Search Console is must. Bing Webmaster tool I've already shown you. This is like Google Search Console, but for Bing and Yahoo. Lighthouse audit. So if I will just show you. So if you will visit Lighthouse audit and you will just copy paste your URL. Oh no, I think over here only. Yeah, it is here. See, if you will just right click over here, if you just right click and inspect, after this, there's a lighthouse. Okay, and generate reports. Just click over here. So now you will get a lot of ideas about your SEO accessibility. Mouth is dry again. What you can improve on your website. So all this time you can actually check over here. It's auditing my website. So let's see. I think some error. You are getting some interesting facts over here also. Almost there. Let's see if this time this will be able to generate report or not. Yeah, so see it's showing issues. Some of the content over here. So performance. The first view content, the speed is slow, we already know. Time of interaction, first interaction 39 seconds. So this is showing, see, a lot of factors will be there. The system you are using, the browser, because a lot of things I have opened over here, and one of my other window also. And total blocking time. So you can just actually check all these things. You can learn more by clicking all over here. And you can try to improve every single thing over here. Minimize main thread work. So see over here, descriptive evaluation, it's taking a lot of time. Style and layout, this is taking a lot. So I will change that. This is also third-party blocking tools. Tag manager, Google Analytics. So all these are important. You cannot actually remove any of these. But yeah, you will try to improve on things. So all these things you will get. So see, SEO 100% best practices, accessibility, performance is low. So I need to work on performance. So this data you will get from here. Whatever you are not understanding, just click on learn more and you will get a lot of data. A pointer, you can optimize your website. So this is done. Page speed insights, I've already told you, shown you also. Visit this website, you will get a lot of data about your page speed. Mobile friendly test, this is important. So if you will just paste your URL of code, if you want to put a code over there. Taxi. I'm not a robot. So So this tool will tell you if your website is mobile friendly or not. Actually, you can directly tell it by seeing your website, but if any suggestions are there, this tool will give it to you. This is a free tool by Google again. So all this tool you will get from Google itself, right? Then web.dav, this is again for developers. If you can improve on anything, just click over here, test my website, line, run audit. So page is mobile friendly. I don't know what they did to my website now over here, but yeah, page load issues were there. You just check page partially loaded. Okay, that's fine. Some errors were here. You can just try to change it. Content upload. Okay. This is taking a lot of time, so you can optimize a lot of things over here also. This is that plus this. We already checked it. Performance is low. Apart from this, you can just try to, because see, this is actually the tech part, which I am not expert in, but whenever I will get, my team will get time, I will definitely try to improve this. So see, all the render blocking resources which are here, you can actually try to optimize all these things, a lot of things are there. So yeah. Again, one more tool. Now these are all the tools which you can find over here. Page speed, for Angular development, all the things. Just keep checking. I have not used this tool. This I'm using. But see, this is actually the home page of all the tools which Google has developed. So you can find all this, because I think I have put this URL for that purpose only. So all the tools that you want to get. Let's include this. What is this? Node library. So this is for developers. Yeah, this is developer tools. Again, whoever is your developer, give it to him. He will definitely analyze your website according to these tools. Okay. Now, crawlability you can check. We have already talked about the robot text. You need to provide that. Then in Search Console, you can check the crawlability, how many pages are getting crawled, if any pages have any errors over there. Index pages, again in Search Console, this is also in Search Console. Page title and meta description. That you can see, there are tools to test it also. I have already shown you SEO minion and all these things. But there are tools like heading analyzer. Let's go over there. So what they will do, these tools will tell you your heading according to a lot of factors. This is asking about me. So see, what this tool will do is that it will give you word balance, how many words you are using, headline type, sentiment. So see, let's say you are in a blog category, you are writing a blog, and you are writing how to be happy all the time. Okay, so this will tell the sentiment, what this headline is actually talking about, what sentiment it's driving, and it will help you actually uh, define it to make it better. These are free, but I need to nice sign in. Yeah, see over here, the headline quality score is 75 over average. The strength, limited use of positive sentiments, and limited use of passive language. Okay, suggestions increase headline length. So all these things you will see a lot of things over here. You will get a lot of data. This is impression score is start with 37. So you can improve on that. Engagement score is good. Impression score is common to knowledge that clicked. Okay, I need to to improve the click-through rate. So you can improve it over here. Digital marketing agency. Let's say try with best. It improved 76. It also improved. It dropped. So yeah, you can try and test it out. Again, these are just algorithms. I think the best way to market anything is with intuitions, but definitely the tools will help because they understand a lot of things, right? They are built on all these experiences which already there, the machine learning. So obviously this tool will help. This is headlined by sharethrough.com. So you can just check it. Shout out for this guy because I don't need to sign up. Yeah. And again, we have already talked about the length and all those things. So just keep that in mind also. Page speed, again, I don't know why I'm coming here again and again. But page speed, you know how to check, how to improve everything. Content quality should be good every time, every single time. Remove thin content, old. If the content is old, keep updating this. Like I have shown you in the airport taxi example also. Airport taxi during lockdown, people are searching for it. So if you're not updating your content according to the present time, obviously you need to face the wrath of Google. So content should be new, updated, fresh. Remove thin content, old content, low quality content, or rarely visited pages from your site that can. A lot of people, what they do is that they produce a lot of content, but they are not sharing it anywhere. It's just resting at some place, right? So what you can do actually to you see if you are spending 20% of time in creating content, this is my philosophy. 20 to 30% time you should concentrate on creating better quality content, but 70 to 80% of the time you should give to market that content, because if you are creating the best quality content but if you're not able to market it, who is going to buy from you? Nobody. So concentrate on that. After recording this video also I will try to market this. So yeah, please help me out. Please share it with your friends. If you are finding any groups on social media, please share it there also. let people join the community. Really visit pages to improve your website's efficiency quality. Okay. Competitive website analysis. Please visit your competitor. Whatever analysis you are doing for your website, do it for your competitor also, so that you will better understand how you can beat them in the organic world. Over here, SEO tools and softwares. Again, I think this will come in measuring and tracking SEO success. So a lot of tools are there. We have already discussed about this also. So I will just tell you, like in brief, everything, whichever. I think a lot of I've shown you also tools, but in this slide, just see all those tools. So there are a number of tools and software available in the market that can help you and hurt your SEO efforts. A lot of tools are there which will hurt your SEO efforts, hurt your SEO efforts. Okay, so which tools are this? So see, as soon as like you will start searching for digital marketing, SEO, you will start seeing a lot of ads on Instagram and Facebook where people will sell you tools which will bring thousands of traffic on your website, thousands of traffic on your website. Right? They will promise you that this software will rank your YouTube videos in 3 days, 4 days for any competitive keyword. So don't try to rely on this softwares because they may hurt your SEO. Don't use tools that promises you to provide results on automation because Google is getting smart every single day. And tricking Google's algorithm can cost you a lot. Don't try to trick Google. Google is the boss over here. Tools to use in SEO. SEMrush is by far the best which I have used. A lot of people prefer Ahrefs. I have never used it. I have the free version, but I have never used the paid version. Ubersuggest is good. You can also pay for this also. This is cheaper than SEMrush and Ahrefs. Google Clear Plan is the best because this is free and because you will get the best refined data in Google Keyword Planner. You won't find this precise data anywhere else. Okay. Google Trends, I have already shown you. You can check the trends, whether it's going down or up. Both extension, one of my favorite tool. SEO Minion, one of my favorite tool for on-page optimization, on-page research. SEOquack, this is a tool. This is by SEMrush itself. So get this tool. See, it will give you a lot of information. What is your global rank? How many pages are indexed over here? In Bing, how many pages are indexed? SEMrush, what is the rank? So all the things it will give you the answer. If you will check backlinks also, what is the page title, description, everything you will get over here. These are the external links which are going out of my website. This is it. So yeah, a lot of these. In this page, what is the density? So see, if you are using this particular extension, you don't need to visit actually any other tool for your on-page analysis. So this is also one of my favorite tools, SEOquack extension. Word counter, I have shown you where you can use word counter, how you can use it. This is one of the best tool, free tool. Small SEO tools. I think we have not talked about this, but this is a very good tool. You will find a lot of small tools on this free website. And I think all those tools are very much necessary. They can help you a lot. Plagiarism checker. So whatever content you are writing, just put that content over here and check it. So it will tell you if this content is plagiarized, copied from somewhere else on the internet or not. Article rewriter, don't ever do it. They have just given it. I think they have this is improved, see. But still, don't use it. Grammar checker, you can use it. Word counter, definitely use it. Spell check, definitely. Paraphrasing tool, you can use it. I don't know what is this 75 generator. Uppercase to lowercase, word combiner. So all these things you can text to image converter if you want to do it. Reverse image search, you can do it. You can just put the image. So favicon generator, just put the image, we'll get the favicon. These are keyword tools. So keyword position, if you will put the keyword in your website, you will find the position if it is in top 100. Keyword density checker for any of your page. So all these tools, these are free. See, backlink checker, don't use this backlink maker. I think, see, all this, they will make your backlinks on websites like small SEO tool or Alexa, or all this website where you can actually check your website's details, right? So I think you can just try it out, because I think they will promise it, because this is a trusted site. But still, don't use it. I would recommend you to not to use it. Okay. Broken link, you can check on any page. Link price calculator. I think it will give you the price of any website or all this. Value, backlink checker. So all these things, there are a lot of tools out there. Website management tools, website SEO score checker, Google page rank checker. A lot. Please explore this, and you will get a lot of ideas over here also. This is development tools. Yeah. I think we will conclude this video over here, because we have explained everything that is in measuring and tracking your SEO success. So I will see you in the next video, because next video we are only talking about SEO terminology and other relevant topics. So till then, bye bye. I'm concluding this video over here.